The Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are two beautiful smartphones that definitely feel a little bit iterative. The size and infinity display aren't much different than that of its predecessor, but there are a few telling differences. The orientation of the camera and fingerprint reader on the back has changed to avoid accidental smudging of the lenses. This used to happen when you were going to unlock your phone. The S9 camera takes in 28% more light than the S8 and has a more advanced multi-frame noise reduction. It takes 12 shots compared to the S8's 3. The S9 now comes with super slow-mo at 960 frames per second, and there is auto motion detect, so you can select an area on the display, and when the subject enters that area, it will start filming in slow-mo. The front-facing camera is 8 megapixel and has a good low-light aperture at f1.7. Samsung has launched a new feature called Intelligent Scan, which combines facial recognition and iris scanning. You're going to get improved security and improved facial recognition in low light. Intelligent Scan won't replace facial recognition or iris scan, but it will disable the use of the other two if you're using it. You will also be able to use Intelligent Scan rather than fingerprint authentication when signing into apps or websites. The iris scanner has also been covered with black glass, so now you can't see it. Bixby is getting smarter, and we're confident that even with live translation, we're probably still not going to use it. The next questionable feature is AR Emoji. We know that a lot of people are excited about this, but we're tired of features being launched that are aimed at 13-year-old girls. This is one of the most expensive smartphones on the market, and even if 5 billion emojis are being shared daily, that the phone can scan 100 features on your face to recreate your facial expressions can't be a serious selling point. We're also going to be seeing 3D stickers, which is similar to the Pixel's AR stickers. Moving on, we're finally getting stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos, which gives you true amazing surround sound. This is going to give you that extra boost when you want to share videos with friends. Samsung has also thankfully kept the headphone jack. When it comes to hardware, we're seeing the expected spec bump. But really, when all is said and done, if you've got an S8, which is a great phone, we can't see AR emojis or variable aperture or Dolby Atmos being enough to get you to upgrade. But if you got an S7, it's probably time for you to pick up a new phone. And this will be the obvious choice. But right now, because we're not made of money, we can't see upgrading if you just bought a phone within the last year. If you want to see more in-depth content on the S9, we'll be spending some more time with it over the next week here at Mobile World Congress, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more great videos like these.